From the very beginning, the Nutritious Life mission was always reach as many people as possible and help them raise their nutrition a notch. 2002 is when I started my first practice. Before I even started, actually, I created this binder for me to follow, for me to have my own protocol, because I had nothing to follow. And I literally wrote down, tab number 1 was session 1, tab 2 was session 2. So I felt like, okay, I can now hire more people in my practice, we can see more people, we can reach more people. And I remember I sat down with someone and he said, okay, so you're doing these TV segments and you're writing your next book and you have your private practice, but what's that big, Keri dream? I was almost scared to put it out there, but I said, I have this binder. I literally remember saying that. I have this binder that I use in my practice and I really want to get it out there into the world. I want to help people help other people. TNS Level 1 was really the basics of what I was doing in my practice. How people could take that information and put it into practice themselves in their lives, whether it was to be a health writer or whether it was starting their own practice. I mean, there are stories after stories after stories of people that have changed their lives professionally and personally. This community is something that I think is like no other. It is just extraordinary in so many ways. I talk to the people in the community, whether, again, it's in person, whether it's on social media, whether it's in our private Facebook group, and we're asking, what do you want? What do you want to learn more of? What are you missing? What do you need tools for? What do you need more education on? And basically, I took all of that information that I have learned and I created that next program so they could get that next level education. TNS Level 2 is for every single person who's taken TNS Level 1 and wants more, who wants to continue to grow. We dive into GI issues, we dive into women's health issues. So we go deeper there and we also go way deeper into business and into counseling. So if you are starting your wellness business, you're going to get a full business course in addition to your science course, and then you're also getting a counseling course. So you really are getting 3 programs for one. Whatever it is you want to do in your wellness world, in your wellness life, in your wellness career, you will be able to do. And then what will happen? More people are going to benefit from you. More people are going to benefit from all that incredible knowledge you have and your passion. And together we will be reaching more and more and more people and helping them live more nutritious lives, happier lives, healthier lives. And we'll be doing that together. If you are ready to change the world, if you are ready to take your passion and impact the world, enroll now.